Hey y'all, this is Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we got plenty of stuff on the desk. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Live.Love.Posh 2nd anniversary box. If you're interested in seeing what's in this monstrous box, stay tuned. Alright y'all, first of all, forgive my error. I did say that this was the 2nd year anniversary box, and it's not. It's the 1 year anniversary box. Pay me no mind. So, I am going to start with this box that was within the box, as long as it doesn't tear up my setup here. So we've got some paper clips. We'll go over that in just a second. Let's get the rest of this stuff out of here. Oh, I really hate styrofoam. Did I ever tell you guys that? Like, really hate it. Okay. A box within the box that's within another box. If I'm not being pranked. Alright, so that is that. Let's set that to the side and get all of this crap here off the desk. And goodness. I would wear black today with all of this styrofoam flying everywhere. Okay, so let's start with this. And this is the beautiful mug. Ooh, y'all. She is the perfect shade of pink. Yes, she is. Guess what I'll be having my coffee in tomorrow? This is beautiful. So we have this coffee mug. And then, let's look at these paper clips. Y'all, we got some more paper clips. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kinah. I love all things gold and pink. So we have some Posh paper clips in gold. Because I know myself, I would have torn the thing off and paper clips would have gone flying. Okay, nobody got hurt. So we have these paper clips. Ooh, it looks like there's different ones. Oh, there are different ones in here. So y'all, we have this one and we have this one. We've got 2 sets of paper clips. Pretty cool. Yes, paper clips come through. So we got the Posh paper clips. So let's put that up here. Here's the real beauty. And I'm gonna have to reach out about this because it looks like mine got damaged in transit. So I don't know, my luck, I've been having a lot of issues with my stuff being damaged in transit. As you can see, this has likely been dropped and it's all cracked up and whatnot. So, but this is the sticker book box. Goodness. That is supposed to hold 19 to 20 sticker books. Did y'all hear that? 19 to 20 sticker books. Here for this, okay? Gorgeous. I can't wait to put this on my cart. It's going to be so pretty. So this is a sticker book storage box. Last but not least, y'all, I have to admit something. When I opened up the box, I should have opened it up and inspected everything. But of course, I dug into this book first. Mine did come slightly defective, and I've already reached out to Jessica to remedy that. But I'm going to do a flip through, just so y'all can see how beautiful this sticker book is. So, yes. Yes, honey. So we got 2 pages of these, and these are clear stickers. And then we got these. These were in a previous book. Oh, look at that. Those are so beautiful. But these stole my heart, y'all. I don't know if these are Japanese blossoms. They are so pretty. And they go so well. Boom. They are clear stickers for those of you that are going to ask. Those are clear stickers. And then we have some boxes. 2 pages of those. Y'all, do y'all see how bright and vibrant these are? So pretty. And they contrast so well. And so do these. I'm going to need a second book. Oh my goodness, y'all. Do y'all see how vibrant these boxes are? We got 2 pages of those. These, I believe, were in a previous book as well. I could be wrong. I believe these were also in a previous book. 2 pages of those. And then we got another page of boxes. 2 pages of boxes. And then we got these. This is the defective parts I was talking about, guys. I hope your sticker book did not arrive like that. But no worries. Jessica is everything. And she got me squared away. So we're good to go. Y'all, look at these. If this doesn't say Easter, baby, wait till Easter comes back around. Can y'all imagine the spreads? And then if you guys watched my June monthly dashboard setup videos, y'all know that I love this. And I'm not even a fan of blue. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here somewhere. Look up here. But baby, these are popping. Do you see this? Look at these greens. And then we got boxes to match, okay? 2 sheets of those. So y'all, that is the sticker book. If y'all did not get a hold of this box, I am so sorry. I truly am sorry, okay? Because, baby girl, you missed out. You missed out. This is beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this box. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.